Welcome to another video, another vlog. I am flying in a propeller plane, as you can see, from Cambodia to Vietnam, and I will be there in 30 minutes. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and I'm going to be here for 4 days.
Ladies and gentlemen, as preparation for takeoff, please fasten your seatbelts, put your seat back upright, stow your tray table, and open the window shade. For safety reasons, please refrain from using your mobile.
Alright. I'm standing in the immigration line at the passport control. Yes, you guys saw the caption right. I am in Vietnam, baby. Chi Minh City. I'm gonna be here for 4 days, and once again, I don't know if I introduced already, welcome to another vlog. You guys are going to be enjoying what I'm going to be doing in Vietnam. Basically the food, walking around the city, probably try to go to swim. So that was a bumpy ride that I came through. I was at Cambodia before this, as you saw the previous video. Flew in the Cambodian Angkor Air propeller plane. That was a very small plane. It was shaky, it was loud, and every time I was looking out of the window I could see the fan rotating. I've been in a propeller plane before, but that was when I was in Philippines. Besides that, I don't think so I've flown a propeller plane. So I think this was my second experience. So I'm waiting in the line here. You can see all these counters are for immigration. While I'm still standing here, let me give you guys a few tips on what all went through for me to get this visa and get here. So basically the flight from Cambodia to here was approximately 35 minutes. And they checked my visa there. So you need to have a physical paper visa if you're flying into Vietnam from another country around. From Doha, you need to show them on the phone, but you don't need a paper. That's one. And everyone needs an e-visa. Even though I have a European passport, I thought I needed a visa on arrival. I could do a visa on arrival. I can, because I can see there are visa on arrival options on that side, and I was told at the Qatar airport that I have the option for visa on arrival, but on the website of Vietnam it mentioned that a Portuguese passport holder, European passport holder, requires to have an e-visa which cost $40. So, and it took around 5 days for me to process this visa, so that's like the fastest that they can get a visa. And if you want the urgent option, you pay $99 and you get it in 1 day. But I don't trust that because I tried it and it did not happen. So yes, so these are the few things. And Grab taxi is also operational in this country. I don't know about the currency exchange over here. And also another thing is that they use US dollars here as well. So that's another big advantage because I have US dollars with me. And I don't think so I need to exchange anywhere for local currency because it works. SIM card is all here before the immigration control, passport control. So I think they've created this section here because they already know that there's a big waiting time at the immigration, so there's all this stuff. Yeah, these are the tips. I also chose to go to Cambodia first is for a reason. Now, a lot of people told me go to Vietnam first and then go to Cambodia. But I know that Cambodia is not a very exciting place as compared to Vietnam. So I wanted to end my trip on a higher note. I wanted to also feel that I am coming to a better location and my vacation excitement is getting elevated as time progresses. So I went to a less exciting place first because I'm already energized for the vacation, and then coming to an exciting place with low energy, which is going to take my energy levels higher. So that's my logic on why I did this, of going to Cambodia first and then Vietnam. There comes my bag. So another nice thing that you can do is buy a air tag and place it in your bag, because sometimes in these domestic flights you cannot trust the management of how they tackle baggage, so you can lose your bag. So I have an air tag in my bag, and I already knew my bag is here, and I also knew which belt it is on without even checking the screen, because it was giving me the location of where the bag is. Okay, so now I'm gonna head out, and I have a problem now. I have to check into my Airbnb only at 3 o'clock, and right now it is 9 a.m. so I have to be somewhere for at least 6 hours. I will have to look for a place where I can sit down, have a coffee, open my laptop, do something, because I cannot be roaming around with this on the streets over there. It's going to be very chaotic and inconvenient for me. So let's see what I can do. After 5 hours of waiting at the airport, I have finally come to my Airbnb room. So let me show you the room. So this is it. So basically that's the entrance. There is a lobby area over there, and that's it. They have like a projector on top, a bed, there's a bathroom here, and there is something cool like a bathtub, but I am not sure if this bathtub is an operational bathtub. I'm just gonna change. I am so tired. I'm gonna try to sleep for some time and then wake up in few hours. It's 2:30 right now, so I will sleep for like 5 hours and wake up and then figure out what I need to do. Had a great sleep, actually a nap, just for a few hours. I changed, and now I am heading to a street called Nguyen Hue Street. It's like one of the main streets which has like a park in the middle. I'm going there to have a look. Maybe I'll eat something over there. I haven't planned anything yet, where I want to go or what I want to do, but I do know that there are a couple of things that are very interesting in Vietnam. One is the Chi area where there was these tunnels during the war. It's pretty far away. Anyways, I'm gonna look how lively it is outside. It's way nicer than Cambodia. Yeah, I'm gonna book my Grab now and head to that place. Yeah. So I'm on the street already now, at the start of the street, and this is what it looks like. It is so damn lively, especially because it's a Sunday. I think a lot of people are out, but I must say that you cannot even put these two cities into comparison. Phnom Penh and Ho Chi Minh City cannot be compared with each other, because there is a night and day difference between these two cities. I would compare Ho Chi Minh City be a city in Korea or a city in Japan probably, because it has some really nice architecture. Like look at this one, this building, and this is one of the buildings. There are many like this. It's pretty nice. I really like it already on the first day, and I'm excited to even explore more of it. Tall buildings. There's a statue over here. Must be a freedom fighter for sure. They even have a hop-on, hop-off bus like Europe. It's all over the place. It's like there's one over there, there's one over there, and I'm really curious to walk the whole street, so I'm going to do that. Probably enter one of the pubs or a place to eat. I want to eat local food. I've not eaten anything the whole day, so and this is really nice. I am impressed. No jokes, it's really nice. I mean, look at that. There's the Louis Vuitton there. That's the Opera House. The Opera House. I cannot read actually. Yeah. People have queued up to get inside the hop-on hop-off bus. I think it must be a very exciting option for tourists, because it literally takes you around in the main localities, obviously, and you get that view from the top. So if you want to do like a vlog or some good photo shots, but I'm not sure how do you get a chance, like who gets the chance to go up first. Look at the queue. It's starting from here, it's going all the way till there. Santa Claus over here.
Trời nóng, làm đổ hết mồ hôi.
I cannot say the name of this street, but I have reached the end of the street and I'm walking back to the other side. So it's a pretty interesting one. There's a music festival going on, that's why there's a lot of people singing, dancing, and there's a stage set up as well. So I've come to this place where there's street food, Vietnamese street food. Took a cab out here. That's how people are seated over here. It's pretty good. There's like snails on every page. It's amazing. It's like garlic, chili, fat snail, small snail, clams, oysters. And then you dip it in this sauce here. Yes. Oh my god. Oh. Holy shit. This is like salt. It's so good. So I'm being recommended to eat all this stuff by some locals here. They're very helpful. They want to advise me what to eat. So I'm getting all these snails to eat. Snail. So that was a good meal. All the snails at this restaurant. It's called Guyen Trai, and I ate all of those that you can see. I'm just gonna go back home, check out the club maybe, and then head to the apartment. So day 2, last night after the dinner, I just went home and stayed to sleep. Woke up now and I've come to eat frog at this restaurant. Yeah. So after the eating the frog, I'm going to go to this historic place, the war place. It's called Chi. I'm going to take a taxi there. It takes around 1 hour. The place. People sit on these small tables and stools. I'm going to sit there. So basically this place serves the rice and pork which I ate in Cambodia. It's very similar to that, and people sit in these small tables and chairs. So I just took the corner. This is how everyone sits. Yeah. It's actually one of the most delicious breakfast meal that I've had here so far, besides the ramen and that they have. Yeah, it's pretty good. That was one wholesome meal, almost like my lunch. The rice, the beef, pork with the noodles, and people sitting like this and eating. So now I'm booking a cab to go to Chi, which is that war zone. So I'm come to have the coffee of the famous coffee. Sweet condensed milk with coffee in it. That's my Uber. It's a bloody Fortuner. Yeah. So it's a 2-hour journey to Chi Tunnel. So this is going to be exciting. I'm going to sleep in the car, I think so. Alright, so I made it to the Chi ticket counter. That's the ticket counter, and then you walk through and you come through this entire shopping kind of a thing. And they have these bombs, artillery kept over here. It reminds me of this game Wolfenstein. Amazing. I'm officially the visitor here with this sticker. I'm going to walk through this tunnel. So Chi is basically the Vietnam War zone where there are these tunnel system made, and they would transfer weapons underground, and the tunnels are really tight. So this is the experience where you get to see all the ammunition, the vehicles that were used in the war. So I'm walking through this tunnel now. So I'm at the entry point of the Chi tunnel. I'm not really sure how this works, but because I'm doing it on my own without a tour guide, so this could be a bit confusing for me, but I'll just go along the way.
From third tunnel. They also made explosives and grenades to fly straight and kill the enemy.
Okay, and the first one I would like to show you, this is the bamboo trap. Long time ago, local people, they use this one just for hunting animals, not for fighting.
Yeah.
And during the war time, you know, local people, weapon, they collect on the battlefield and they use whatever they have. It's very simple but very dangerous, just bamboo, but then make it very sharp.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, and around here we have the entrance to get into the tunnel. Along the tunnel system is a 250 kilometers. Connect 6 villages.
There's a tunnel here that goes 200 kilometers across. There's a tunnel here.
I saw you over there. And landmark around.
That's
Now
wild.
for tourists, just the entrance.
But now it is open.
No. Now it's I just show you. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Make a video. You want to hold the cover like this. The enemy know exactly where you go. You put the lip on the cover. Lip some the lip. No, put the lip.
First some leaves.
Put some lip on the lid. After that, you hold the lid and 2 hands up, go down. Yes. Bye. Okay.
How dark was it inside? How the hell?
Okay. Yeah.
Huh? It's really dark inside. Yeah.
You can see inside 2 directions. This way you can go to the Saigon River.
Wow.
Saigon River behind the back end is about 1 kilometer. Outside here you can take photo with my brother. He stand behind at the middle. Don't sit down together. Because my brother so scary. Then when you sit down together, he stand up and away. Battlefield for fighting.
Yeah.
You come here like
Oh my god, this is what I've been waiting for. The tank. I think this is like a leftover tank. Jeez, look at that. Completely iron.
This is the tank, the name M41.
M41.
Destroyed right here. Barbecue. At the left to the body all the way down. Có khách giếng không ơi? And here, this is the window trap, like this. When someone step on, it's open both sides. Very simple but very dangerous. Fallen chair is a look like crocodile mouth.
So here basically wherever the bomb shells would explode, they take the used bomb shell and they create like aftermarket mines out of the gunpowder that is saved inside this shell. Okay, so now we are moving towards the shooting range where you actually can buy bullets and shoot through the machine gun or the auto gun. So I'm might buy these bullets, let's see, and experience shooting in the wild.
You want to try this one? If you want to try this one, you go.
From the M16 machine gun. It's going to be my first time shooting out of a real gun. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to be shooting out from there. And yeah, okay. Okay. Jesus. Have you ever fired out of a gun before?
Yeah, but none of these guns. Yeah, but have you never done it?
I've done a small handgun.
Oh yeah. I've done like shotguns, 22, 44, but
That's the M16.
M16.
Oh, it's already fixed on the. Okay.
where the have forward.
Which one?
Have forward.
What? All right.
Okay, shoot.
Am I missing the target? I think 5 are done. 5. One more? Time for some AK47 business. Finish? Okay.
Good fun.
That's loud. My ears. My experience using the AK47 and M16. So afterthoughts, the M16 is a very easy gun, no recoil, not that loud, very accurate, and I think that's more expensive than the AK47. The AK47 is not accurate. I am shooting one point and I can see the bullet hit the ground on another point. And secondly, it's so loud. My ears are still ringing out of the AK47 right now. So we bought, like me and the New Zealand guy bought 10 bullets each, and then we switched guns, 5 each rounds. It's one of a kind of experience. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a coconut water now and then maybe head out again.
Have a look first.
But now I became old. That was epic. That was hardly like what? And they would do it like 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers is what they have now.
250.
10 meters and we're fucked.
And I bet they're much smaller too. The 250 would be much smaller.
Come. Yeah, longer one.
Tapioca, no problem. Different. Taro. They're very healthy. They're better than KFC.
Okay, 15 minutes, no problem, no rush.
Usually we have the tapioca chips, right?
Yeah.
It's raw tapioca. So that was the end of my tour in Chi war zone. So basically Chi, as you saw, is all about where the war happened between Vietnam against the French, and I really had an excellent time. I loved the experience of shooting out of a gun, the AK47 and M16. I came back. It was a 2.5 hour journey, slept for a while, did some work. Now I woke up again, got out of the house after a quick shower for some dinner, trying to find a place where I can get some barbecue meat, seafood barbecue as my dinner, and after that maybe I go to a pub. God. So I found a restaurant that sells frog, but I don't think so you can read it. And another thing I want to show you is the ice that is given to you in a cup for the drink is in a bucket like this, which is put in a glass like that, and then they put water. Something that is so gross right now. I don't think so I will be drinking that water. But I ordered a frog, which is grilled, and it should be, and I know what a frog tastes like because back home in Goa we eat frog. And this is a place on the street. I'm sitting like this on the street over here, on a little chair, table here, and it's like next to the street. That was one wholesome meal. I had squid, like a starter. Then I had noodles with prawns and fish. Then I had frog, which was amazing. And I also had squid again, which is barbecue. There's 4 dishes, and my bill was. So it was 460,000, which is $18 for these exquisite like frog and stuff like that. That's pretty cheap. I also had a Coke with it, and then there was a beer. It's pretty good. I'm gonna head out to now a street which I was there yesterday, just to walk around over there and have a look. And that's the place where I am right now. Camera gone, that's the name, in case anybody wants to come and try out this street food here. It's another day. It's day 3 here in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I just woke up because last night came back home pretty late. Actually I was tired, and then when I came home, slept off. Then I had to wake up in the middle of the night again because I had some emails to action. I'm actually working while I'm on this vacation, so my sleep and my routine has got a bit messed up. But it's evening already. It's almost 5 p.m. now, and I'm trying to get myself branch and an exchange place or an ATM. I need some cash, local currency. Then I need to go shop something like t-shirts. So that's the plan for today, and then eat something as well. Yeah. So I just entered this market, which looks like a main market or whatever. I don't know. Because there is another market called as a central market, which is not this one. But this one has like snacks, restaurants, soft drink bars. and I'm sure you get the cold coffee here everywhere. I'm actually looking for that store which sells these football jerseys.
Mua được nhiều thì trả giá, chứ em nói giá mặt gì cười đâu
There's definitely bargaining that you need to do over here because I just asked for a jersey earlier and they told me something around $10, which is $10 is a lot actually for that jersey. Yeah, okay, I found it. So I just asked for a jersey. It's like $30. That's like buying an original jersey, and they claim that it's original. That's definitely not right. And so there's definitely a huge amount of bargaining that you need to do here. Just got out of the market. There's the market over there. It's called Huate. That's where I was inside just now. It's okay. I mean, yeah, they charge you a lot. I got fridge magnets which I had bargained. They said 80,000. I just said 30,000, and then they gave it to me. And also you can see that the main sky. I forgot the name of that building. It's very iconic here. It's right there, so which means even the walk street is there. So I'm gonna keep walking now to another lane which is on that side. I'm not sure if this is a jackfruit. So I just took a cab from the market to a place called the Notre Dame Cathedral, and that's the one. It's covered in scaffold. I think they're repairing the church. So this is a really huge cathedral here. Not sure of the history of why there is a cathedral in Saigon. Probably it's because of during the colonial times, and that's the one. There's Mother Mary statue here. So I'm looking for this place called Bun Mo Q. So much. Oh, there it is. Bun Bo Hue. It's a recommended place to me by a couple of people, and it's the one. Check it out. So that's something with beef and the cold coffee. Filling. So I had a soup, which was a noodle soup with pork and beef and crab. It was soup, so I didn't expect it to fill me up so much. I'm full now. I'm gonna grab a grab and go to my apartment again. Alright, it's a good evening on day 4. I woke up again late. But that's okay, because what I do is I roam around in the night, and I'm awake till 3 a.m., 4 a.m. So yesterday I had my meal, walked around a little bit back to the main street of theirs where that tall building is, and that's it. I didn't do much actually, and then I went to have I think I ate. I went to the supermarket and then went again to the Bovine Street. And now I'm planning to go back to the market to buy the jerseys. I'll just buy some jerseys over there, and then I'll go to Zara. I want to try their Zara in Vietnam, just to see what. Okay, so I ordered myself this one, which is the banh mi. It's like a bread with pork inside, and I asked for without salad. And I also ordered mango juice. Yeah. Alright, I got myself the bun, which is with pork inside. Let me check. That looks good. Hey, let's try. Wow. The bread is so fresh, crispy, fresh. The pork is juicy. It's well done. Okay. Ok, dobbiamo fare. L'acqua?
Ah, è vero, il fondo. Ma è perché 50.000.
That bun was delicious. It was more like a pork sausage or pork kebab that was grilled, cut into pieces, tossed in the bread, and a barbecue sauce in it, making it very juicy. The best part was the bread. The baguette was very fresh, hot. Looked like it came out of the oven just a couple of minutes ago. I'm gonna go back to my apartment because it's right next to this market. Keep the stuff that I got and head out again. There are some Dragon Ball Z toys over here. What's that? I got myself sugarcane juice. It's extremely sweet and refreshing. And you see that they already have skinned the sticks, but back in India they don't do it. They put it with the skin. Getting inside the hop-on hop-off bus right now. Almost is 155,000. It's like $10. If there's no place, I'm getting out of it. Oh my god. These people are drinking coffee on the floor next to the cathedral. Sitting on the floor on the footpath and drinking coffee next to the cathedral, the Notre Dame Cathedral. little bit of the city, the lights, the buildings, the bridges. There's some music festival going on over there. I'm grabbing myself a Grab motorbike and heading to a place which serves crab, but I'm not sure if it's open because it's already 10:20. Oh, yeah, that's the one. Okay. This huge street of restaurants very close to the Bvn Street, and you get some Vietnamese food over here. So the name of the street is this one. It's possible. So I ordered pork fried rice with pork ribs and rice and a mango smoothie to go with. Let's see. I want it very spicy, so I told him to cut some chilies and put some spice to it. That was my pork ribs and rice. It was a good meal. I'm full now. I'm just going to go home, pack my bag, and I'm going to sleep early today so that I can wake up on time, maybe like around late morning, and then head out for my final shopping if anything I need to buy. Alright, so sorry?
You go tour. Your name Kazai.
No. Okay, so it's day 5 here in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I'm getting out of my lane where I live. That's the Airbnb I have here, and this is the address on top. You can see it's pretty early in the morning. Today I didn't sleep at all. I just slept for like 3 or 4 hours. Woke up at around 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna grab some breakfast. It's a beautiful day. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain because all the time it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna cross now. I'm trying to grab some breakfast. I'm looking for that dish called com tham, which is the beef, the pork slices with rice.
Để đâu mới chén ra rồi, trứng trắng
Egg?
với xanh.
No egg. This egg.
Chả. Cho ông miếng chả nữa. Nè.
No. Full egg.
Không nói gì á, để em nghe chị coi. Này, người ta mới chén thôi.
Friday contest.
Bên em. Ok, chưa nghe trứng vô. Xem.
Yes.
Thêm cái trứng vô cho ổng đi. Rồi.
So usually the com tam comes with a fried egg. The fried egg is not there, so I just asked them to put a fried egg on it. So he's making one over there. You can see. Yeah. So it's not complete. And I got this red chili sauce. Com tam with egg and pork is just too delicious. Like, it cannot beat any other breakfast here. It's like a must try. It's chili, the egg, the pork.
Ăn không con? Chưa rồi, con ăn gì không? Chú chỉ cho.
So this sums up my entire shopping in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. I bought almost 6 or 7 jerseys, 4 shorts. It is a good one because these jerseys are actually 2 types of quality. So be careful because there's one which looks very original and the one is like shitty one, and they charge you the same price. So I bargained from $18 to 12, and the other ones that look shitty, they start only from 15, and then when you bargain till 10, it's actually not 10, it's actually $5. So now I'm heading back to my hotel. I've already checked out, and I have to wait somewhere, so I might just take a foot massage or something to get rid of the money that I have. My flight is at 8 p.m. It's at the moment 1:30, so another 1 hour I should be heading to the airport so that I get there at least 3 hours before the departure. Alright, I made it to the airport at Ho Chi Minh City. I checked out just on time, and then that's why I had to spend some more time in the market. But now, since I've come so early at the airport, it's 3:30 right now, and my flight is at 8, which means I'm 4.5 hours early. So all I can do is just look around at the airport. The airport is not that big, and I got some souvenirs as well. This is actually the 5th day, and it's been 5 days that I'm in Vietnam. It has been an absolute, I would say, the trip was perfect. I think it was a little bit more than required, because what I mean to say is that I did not need 5 days in Vietnam. When I say Vietnam, means Ho Chi Minh, not Hanoi. Ho Chi Minh, you don't need 5 days, because if you are going to go to see the tunnels one day, another one is the Mekong Delta, which I did not go. That's the second day, and then the market and the city. So 4 days at max. I didn't go to many places because I just wanted to relax, and I got to do a lot. Mostly I had to try the seafood, which the street food, which I tried, and it was really good. Snails and frogs and whatnot I ate. So yes, this sums up my whole trip actually to Ho Chi Minh City. I do want to go to Hanoi maybe another time. That's completely on the other end of the country, like it's to the north side. But yes, this kind of winds up my vlog for Ho Chi Minh trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was purely a vlog for my database, which shows what I did and how I saw Ho Chi Minh City, or how I enjoyed it, or made the most out of it, or made the most of those 5 days. I made few friends here and there. I did talk to a lot of people, not only for locals but even foreigners, and everybody comes here to enjoy, party, eat, relax, chill. Some people even leave their jobs and come to this country and they settle down. This is what I learned. And I didn't go to the beach, the coastal belt. I didn't go to Phu Quoc, which is the best island that they have. So all those things I'm going to keep it for some other time, because I'm always in a rush with my trips. So once again, I want to say thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, the 5 days of how I enjoyed Ho Chi Minh City and what I did to make the most out of it. So I don't know where my next trip is going to be. So thank you guys once again, and see you in the next vlog.